IDP lising nipu mayumda hanjinhannaba thakhiba matam loikhrabasu CS tuminna leisinkhre chahi asigi March 13 fawagi manungda IDP lising nipu masagi mayumda hanjilhangani haina thajaba piramlaga haujingna thabak oin onthoraktre Manipur gi Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel tuminna leisinkhre IDP singkunda leita hanabagi matangda Chief Secretary na January 18 da thokiba warol amada hai State Level Committee amadi District Level Committee semduna IDP sing hanjinhannaba thorang lokutuna lakhi Chief Secretary na Chairman oiba State Level Committee da Home Commissioner Director General of Police amasung atai senior official singna member oiri District Level Committee singi Chairman na mari leinaba District Magistrate na oiri lenga ki khwaidagi maru oiba pandamdi IDP singbu aso engam yauhandana kunda leita hanbaga loinena mahusagi punsida hanjilhannaba honabani relief camp tagi mayumda halanba khak natana senthok lambi lehenba mahi masing ningthina tamhanba amasung hiram khudingmakta khumang chawsin hanaba honabana lenga ki maru oiba pandamni hokiba December phawada imung lising ani chani gi IDP lising tara hena khunda leita hanba ngamkhre thorang asidi hena khumang chawsin hanba ngamnaba Special Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin gi makhada yum lising taret sanabagi pirakhre haina phongdokhiba su leikrabani